Now I will explain you how to make the integration of some function. This is the formula for integration, okay? This is the formula. How how can understand how can you understand this formula? So, f of x is the function that you will make integration, okay? For you make the integration of some function, it's necessary you choose one function. You choose the function and you make the integration, and after you make the integration, you make the application of the integration, okay? So, f of x is the function. And for you for you make the application of the integration, it's necessary you have 2 points, point A and point B. The largest point you put first and make minus the smallest point, point A. Largest point you put first and you put minus the smallest point. In this case, point A minus point B. So here is information for make the application of the function. You choose the function x squared, f of x equal x squared, okay? I choose the function x squared, but you can choose any function. You can make the application for any function, okay? In this case, I choose the function f of x, the function x squared, because it's more easy for you understand. You need to have 2 points. You need to choose 2 points. I choose point 1 and point 2, but you can use for any point. The important it's you have 2 points for you make the application of the function, okay? For you to make the application, you need point A and point B. In this case, I choose x equal 1, x equal 2. This 2 point, 1 and 2, is the point that I will use for make the application of the integration. So focus now. Now we will focus on the integration, okay? Only this part, the integration. The integration. You you shape the symbol. What mean this? It's only for you remember that you work about integration. It's only for remember you. So you put 1 point, point A. What is point A? Point A is 1, okay? I choose 1, but can be 1, 2, 3, can be any number. You choose. In this case, I choose the point 1. And in the place of B, I will choose the point 2, okay? Point 2. Point 1, point 2, A and B. Now I will put the function f of x. What is f of x? In this case, I choose the function x squared. Okay, x squared is the function that I will choose to put in the place of f of x. You will put x squared. Now you repeat d. What mean d? D is derivative because integration is inverse operation of derivative. Okay, derivative is the inverse operation of integration. And you repeat x. What is x? X is the number that you will work. For example, if here is y, you put y here. If here is b, you put b here, okay? Equal. So now I will make the integration. This part is for integration. For you to make the integration, you repeat x, okay? Repeat x, repeat 2, and you put the power in the divider, okay? In the divider, you put the power in the divider, 2. And now you will put plus 1 in the divider and plus 1 in the power. Now you have, you repeat x, and make 2 plus 1, 3, and 2 plus 1 is 3, okay? This is the integration. This is the integration. When you make the integration of x squared, you have x cubic divide by 3. This is the integration of x squared, okay? Now you will make the application, okay? I finish the integration. Now I will make the application. For make the application, you will make the point B. This is the function, the integration, okay? Integration, you apply point B, minus integration, you apply point A. For example, fx raised to 3 divided by 3 minus x raised to 3 divided by 3. Now you will apply the point B and point A. It's important that in the first place you put the largest number, the largest point. In this case, for example, A is first point, B is second point in the x line. In the x line, the B is largest than A, okay? You will put the largest point first in the x, okay? The largest point, B. In this case, x equal 2. In the place of x, you put 2. You will put 2. In the place of 1, in the place of x, you put 1 in the second point, okay? It's necessary to follow the sequence. First, largest, second, smallest number, smallest point. Now I will put 1. So, 2 raised to 3 is equal 2 times 2, 4 times 2 times 2, 8. 8 divided by 3. 8 divided by 3 minus 1 raised to 3. 1 divided by 3. So the divisor is equal, okay? The divisor is equal. You repeat the divisor. Now you make 8 minus 1 is 9. 8 minus 1, excuse me, it's 7. It's 7. It's 7. It's 7. Now this is the answer of our question. When you apply the integration of the point A and point B, you have 7 divided by 3. This is our answer, okay? Thank you.